But did want to make mayonnaise because I'm tired of buying things. So I get one large egg and put it in a blender. So after I put the egg in a blender now, I go so boom now and get some salt. And just drop some salt into the blender. After that now, I squeeze some lemon. I did that from morning now and night into the blender. Squeeze out the lemon now. I go so boom. And get extra virgin oil. Yes, my love. Look there. Extra virgin oil. Them say them want 1 cup, so I just dash in my teacup. Don't follow me, guys. Then me gradually put the oil into the blender. That's the whole cup of oil in the blender. And that goes to egg oil soup. Anyway, I constantly, stop the blender and put in oil. And just blend up the thing and look how it come out nice and clean. It come out nice and clean, but me just couldn't take the olive oil scent. I like virgin, But the scent, so I just go so boom now and try to get some lemon and squeeze it in. But does the thing with lemon and the thing come out kind of a little bit runny, but it's mayonnaise. We talk about mayonnaise, master. In my fridge, that's going.